If you're a coffee lover seeking to elevate your coffee experience without complicating your routine, this Quqiyso French Press coffee maker is here to redefine your mornings. This beautifully designed coffee maker brings together the elegance of borosilicate glass, the durability of 304 stainless steel, and the ease of use of a French press, making it a must-have addition to any coffee enthusiast's kitchen. But what truly sets this product apart? Let's dive deep into the features, performance, and why this is the perfect coffee maker, both novices and seasoned baristas alike. One of the standout features of the Quqiyso French Press coffee maker is its construction. Made from thickened borosilicate glass and top-quality 304 stainless steel, this coffee maker can withstand high temperatures while ensuring rust prevention and corrosion resistance. This means you can enjoy your coffee without worrying about the coffee maker degrading over time. The sleek, transparent glass beaker not only adds a touch of sophistication to your morning routine, but also allows you to monitor the entire brewing process. Watching the coffee grounds bloom and steep in the water can be a mesmerizing experience, making your morning cup of joe even more enjoyable. And it's not just about looks. The Quqiyso French Press coffee maker's stainless steel components are designed for long-lasting use, ensuring that this is a coffee maker you can rely on for years to come. The anti-deformation properties of stainless steel provide the robustness you need for daily use, making this coffee maker a durable and stylish addition to any kitchen. When it comes to coffee, taste is everything. The secret to a great cup of coffee lies in the quality of the filter, and the Quqiyso French Press coffee maker excels in this area. The 4-layer stainless steel filter system is engineered to remove even the finest coffee ground, ensuring a smooth, grit-free cup of coffee every time. The perforated plate filters out larger grounds, while the 80 mesh filter takes care of the tiny particles, resulting in a perfectly brewed cup. This level of filtration not only enhances the taste, but also allows you to experience the full flavor profile of your coffee beans. Whether you prefer a bold, strong brew or a lighter, more nuanced flavor, Quqiyso French Press ensures that you get the best out of every cup. One of the best aspects of the Quqiyso French Press coffee maker is how easy it is to use. Whether you're a novice or an experienced coffee lover, you'll appreciate the simplicity of the French press method. In just a few minutes, you can brew a rich and flavorful cup of coffee. Simply add your coffee grounds, pour in hot water, let it steep, and then press down the plunger. That's it. The transparency of the glass beaker lets you observe every stage of the brewing process, from the coffee grounds blooming to the formation of the crema on top. This makes it easy to get your coffee just right every time. Plus, with a 34-oz, 1,000 milliliter capacity, you can brew enough coffee for yourself and a friend, or enjoy multiple cups throughout your morning. The Quqiyso French Press coffee maker is more than just a coffee maker. It's a versatile tool that can also be used as a cold brew coffee maker, making it perfect for hot summer days when you crave a refreshing iced coffee. You can also use it to brew tea, making it a great multi-purpose addition to your kitchen. Cleaning is a breeze with this coffee maker. The glass beaker, filter, and plunger are all dishwasher safe, and the lid can be hand-washed with a non-abrasive sponge and mild dish soap. This makes it easy to keep your coffee maker in pristine condition without much effort. In today's world, convenience and sustainability go hand in hand. The Quqiyso French Press coffee maker is designed to help you save money while reducing waste. By using a reusable stainless steel filter, you eliminate the need for disposable paper filters that other coffee makers require. This not only lowers your daily expenses, but also reduces your environmental footprint, making this coffee maker an eco-friendly choice for the conscious consumer. Moreover, by brewing your own coffee at home, you can avoid the high cost of cafe beverages, allowing you to enjoy premium quality coffee whenever you like. Whether you prefer your coffee hot or cold, the Quqiyso French Press coffee maker provides an easy, cost-effective solution that ensures you get a great cup of coffee every time. Final thoughts. Is the Quqiyso French Press coffee maker right for you? If you're in the market for a high-quality, durable, and stylish coffee maker that delivers exceptional taste and versatility, the Quqiyso French Press coffee maker is a fantastic choice. Its durable construction, precise filtering system, and ease of use make it perfect for both beginners and experienced coffee lovers. Plus, with the added benefits of being multifunctional and easy to clean, it's a convenient and versatile tool for any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.